Be honest with me real quick. When's the last time you took a break? Like not just a vacation and all that, but just a time to take a breather, to get away from the hecticness of life for yourself. When have you done that? Get in the comments and let me know. Be honest. It's easy to neglect ourselves and neglect moments that we need for all kind of excuses. But it's something that's incredibly necessary, and it's something that we all need and deserve. This is our first patio. This was supposed to be our personal retreat area, our peace area, our escape when the kids were at school, for us to be able to relax and enjoy the outside and still have the benefit of shade above us. I mean, we are outside, but we have the most uncomfortable chairs. We have not really fulfilled the peace concept that we had, except for pieces of dead grass, a dead lizard right there, and a dead frog right there that y'all don't even need to see that on camera. The whole point is this was supposed to be a space for us to take breaks, and we have not used it for that. But you know what? We're going to change that today. Yeah. Right, Zebby? Right? See, even my cat don't expect it to happen, but it's happening right now. The first thing we're gonna do is get rid of these chairs though. Take these junks out right now. There's poop stains on some of them, so I'm just gonna put these down and go wash my hands, because I wasn't aware of that before I started filming. What seems to be the problem?
Our carpet is a graveyard. Underneath the outdoor rug is like a bunch of dead lizards.
Oh, you gonna go ahead and do it? Really?
I think so. Would you mind getting the frog?
Yeah, no, I don't mind it.
Okay.
I could get the frog. What does it mean to you to have this outside space?
It's been really hard to give myself permission to want a space and also to find an actual space in the house. And so being able to have the opportunity to customize just this little corner of the house, it means so much. These are material things, but the meaning is so much deeper than that.
I want it to be a space, especially for you and I, together and individually, but I want it to be like, we come out here because we're happy, we feel good, we need a space. So I'm glad that it gets to be that.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go, man. Oh wow. Okay, no water is in there yet, so maybe I'm supposed to put water in first. Let me do that. I'm not gonna electrocute myself, right? Right? Hope this is the way to do it. I'm just pouring it in there. Okay, now like that. Which way should this go? Oh, okay. Okay. This is what we have been waiting for. We have never taken the time to do this. You know, a big part of creating balance is creating a space for it and then letting yourself be in it. A beautiful patio is one thing, but first we have to step outside. It was so easy to find these things on Wayfair and get exactly what we have been wanting for a long time. So we've made enough excuses. Now we have it and we're gonna use it. Yeah, just give me 5 minutes. I am in my happy place.